Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So today in today's video I'm going to discuss important global clues, global market update, US indices, and then we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll find out some important key levels for the next week. So all about the stock market to know the Nifty 50 important support and resistance and important global market update. Stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly levels also, all in one video stock market pulse. So let's start. First of all, let's start video with the global market update. I want to share that I already posted the Nifty Bank important key levels for the next week and some important update in yesterday Saturday video. Please go through that video for the Nifty Bank level, and today yes Nifty 50 level I'm going to discuss. So I will give that video in I button, and you should definitely go with the GST reform video, which I have discussed and analyzed in detail every update about the GST reform proposal by the government. I will give that video in I button also. You check that video also. Let's just start global market. As you can see on your screen that what all is going on in indices. You should see, as already discussed, stock market, Indian market. Nifty 50 was down by around 1% on Friday. Sensex was down even same as it is 1% around, and Nifty Bank even was more negative. It was looking more weak, and you can see here it is more than 1%. It was down. So Indian market did not perform at all on Friday. It was negative overall. Or reason I discussed in yesterday video. Please check. So अगर we see the US indices, you can see Dow Jones is at 1.89%. It was very positive. Even S&P 500, Nasdaq was 2% around. It was up 1.5%. S&P 500, this also the four around 4%. The small cap indices index was up. Reason, what was the reason of these this positive performance, this rally in US market? The reason was, yes, the US market is expecting a rate cut from the Federal Reserve, and because of this expectation the US market was rallying, but Indian market was down. And iska reason I already discussed that next week the 50% tariff is going to come in effect. All the US indices, DJI, Nasdaq, every US indices were outperforming actually. In commodity में gold last yesterday and last Friday, the 1%, the gold was 1% up. Gold was performing. I already keeps saying that if market is not performing, the commodity, the gold means gold will perform good. And if gold is not performing, market is performing good, gold will little bit डाउन. तो एक इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन होता है. Not, it is not a book rule, not a thumb rule. Generally it happens that if market is not performing, gold will perform good. So gold was 1% up. It was 3400 around. Silver was already performing good, 39. If you see the Brent oil was also up on last Friday. It is around 6. It has touched the 68. Little bit up and down. It keeps happening, but yes, 68 is still, I will say, okay, comfortable situation. 70, should not cross 70 again. The price will be high. This was the whole important commodity I have discussed. You can see the gas also and oil also. So important Brent oil as is at 68. The high was 68 and LDP 67. मतलब means 68 के around है. तो okay. Currency, yes, we can see USD INR. The it is at high at 87.55, which is, we can say, still the rupee is trading low, and yes, this is also a not a very positive sign. Of course, important thing, if we talk about the FI is selling. FI has sold on Friday. They have sold heavily, and yes, the market is still showing this negativity. This is also the sign of FIIs selling, but yes, DIIs are buying. So still, it is means FII is offloading their money from the Indian market. We can expect that soon they will come back, but yes, FIS has sold on Friday. The effect was here, this negative Indian market. So this was overall short picture of the global market, global commodity also. We will go to the Nifty 50 chart and quickly discuss. We will analyze what was happening all the week last week and what may happen in next week also. You can see I have drawn these two lines, this range is very important, where the Nifty 50 trading within. You can see from here and resistance, and then here again resistance came down, then again you can see till here it has come, and it is very, actually मैं कह सकती हूँ बहुत slanting है. तो इसके ऊपर you can see here gap up opening, and it went beyond this trend line on the day of 18th of August. It went up, cross this trend line, okay, but you can see this red candle and it was negative, means this breakout happened, this range has been broken, went up, this breakout happened, but it was negative, not look, it was not actually a strong breakout. ओके, वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज अ फेक ब्रेकआउट. इसको कहते हैं कि मीन्स जो स्ट्रांग नहीं होता है, लगता तो ब्रेकआउट है, क्लियर का ब्रेकआउट दिखता भी, बट वो स्ट्रांग ब्रेकआउट नहीं होता है और वहां से रिवर्सल लेके वापस आ जाता है. सो दिस वाज दिस काइंड ऑफ breakout. Here it was negative. When second day it was little bit positive, और दो दिन ही positive रहा because of that news, GST reform and all was going on. But ये यहाँ के बाद से again it took reversal, and you can see it is again coming back to this line, this trend line, looking it is going to, it seeming it is going to touch again this trend line here, but yet it is still up, it is still above this trend line. So this may touch till here around, we can say 24,700, roughly 700 to 800, और ये 800 तो इसका 20 EMA भी है. You can see here blue line is 20 EMA, and it is even already touched here on 800. It was actually exact, can say it was it has touched 850, 24,850, तो इसने टच कर ही लिया है 800 अराउंड. बी जो ये दिख रहा है, I can say according to the technical analysis, this candle is looking also very weak, as I discussed in my yesterday video. Nifty bank में भी वो candle बहुत ही weak लग रही है, उसी तरह से this candle is also looking very weak, and I can't see it is going to take reversal from 800 from here. हाँ, ग्लोबल मार्केट इज ऑफ कोर्स पॉजिटिव, तो उसकी वजह से ये क्या होता है आई कांट से, बट आई कैन ओनली according to the candle, I can see the candle, it is looking very weak to me. I can say it may touch 24,800, even 700 also, 24,700 also. And if it takes a reversal from here again and then come back to here, इट मे पॉसिबल, बट अभी के लिए 800 700 तो ये टच करने ही वाला है नेक्स्ट वीक. 700 आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग नेक्स्ट वीक. 700, 24,700 I'm talking. 24,700 अगर break हुआ, then it will be a very sharp fall. You can see here this range. It is going, definitely it is going to touch this level, which is 24,200. I kept जब ये अंदर range में था, यहाँ पे था, I kept giving this 24,200 level. So yeah, it will come again to this level and take support, which is 200 EMA also. I have not shown here actually. So this level will be a important level, imminent level. If it is breaking 24,700, to keep this level in your mind, be mindful. This 24,700 level, last level roughly, I can say. Breaking this, be ready for the 24,200, which is again a very, very important last few month, I can say, a very important support of 24,200. I'm not seeing it is going to break and going beyond this level in the short term, at least. कोई बहुत बड़ी न्यूज आती है तो आई डोंट नो, बट यस शॉर्ट टर्म में आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सी इट. बट हाँ, अगर ये ब्रेक कर देता है 24,200, तो अब तो ये बहुत ही नीचे जाने वाला है. मीन्स दिस इज गोइंग टू टच दिस ट्रेंड लाइन अगेन. तो अभी आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, आई एम लिविंग दिस, आई एम ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस 24,200 लेवल, जो कि यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो. आई हैव ड्रॉन यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे काफी टाइम इसने यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस लिया है, तो 24,200 पे हैं. बट यस, वी विल चेक दिस ट्रेंड लाइन लेटर ऑन. आफ्टर नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. देखते हैं व्हाट हैपेंस इन नेक्स्ट कमिंग वीक. So 2 3 level, very important. I have just discussed 24,800, then 24,700, and then breaking 24,700, 24,200. Very important. Resistance की क्या ही बात करें, but yes, ये रेजिस्टेंस ही नहीं ब्रेक हो पा रहा है, जो कि 25,200 का है. 25,200 को ही नहीं ब्रेक कर पाया अभी तक निफ्टी 50. ऊपर तो यहाँ पे 24,600 तो अभी बहुत, इट इज वेरी फार अवे. ऑल टाइम हाई को तो भूल ही जाओगे. So 24,200, 25,200 is a resistance. I am taking just for a sake. If it's taking reversal again, it will come here and will take break from, they take nifty 50 will take break here. 25,200, yes, 25,200 is a resistance. Important thing I have discussed, the important global market update and this nifty 50 analysis. I will repeat the level again. For nifty 50, important support 24,700, then 24,200, and resistance is again 25,200 for next week. So I hope you got all the important levels and important update, global update, and everything about the stock market. And like and share also with your friends, and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and these indices weekly level update. Signing off.